So, look here. We had a very, how do I say it? We had a very good trading day today. I mean, lots of news came out for sure, but it didn't affect your boy. So with that being said, I just want to do a quick breakdown on the trades that I did take. Probably holding a trade for no longer than 45 minutes. That's probably the longest I've ever holding a trade. If I'm in there longer than that, 9 times out of 10, I'm wrong, or I got in too early. I shouldn't have to hold a trade no longer than 30, 45 minutes to make a 3 to 1, 4 to 1, 5 to 1. I mean, today I took out at freaking 2 to 1. And then when you see the trade that happened, you're gonna be like, why didn't you leave a runner? Or why did you take out so early? I'm developing this. I'm building my mindset, you feel me? But yeah, I mean, I really just been practicing taking small gains. I decided to load in about $500, $560 or something like that. And I wanted to do an account flip. I mean, just really wanted to test my discipline, test my psychology, and just do an account flip. Show people that, like, man, you don't need that much money to make a lot of money. And when it comes to this trading stuff, no matter how much money you're making or how much money you're risking, it's all the same thing. You come to the charts, the markets are going to do the same thing they did yesterday. Okay, so I wanted to break down GJ. I decided to load in about $500 into a cash account. I didn't do a funded account, no. Cash account, and wanted to really test my psychology and do a account flip. But I'm risking about 10-15% of my account. But I'm trusting my trade, you feel me? I'm trusting my skill. I don't really pay attention to the money. I pay attention to the skill, the trade. So when you pay attention more to that and you take your emotions away from the money and you put it into hey, I really want to focus on this trade, and you really believe in it, bro, fuck the money, let the trade play out. Risk whatever you're gonna risk. So we're in London session from today. It starts at about 3 a.m. Obviously, we're rejecting previous resistance right now, right? On a daily time frame. If you could go to the daily time frame, we were rejecting daily resistance. So I took myself down to the 4-hour time frame and asked myself, what's a higher probability trade, to buy or sell at this daily resistance? Well, on a daily time frame, we were very bullish. You feel me? It's just a lot of bull momentum. We had a higher chance of buying. You feel me? We came back down to around the 160, 100, like 160s, 100 level, and we just have, every time we come down here, we shoot up hard, shoot apart, shoot apart, shoot apart, shoot apart, shoot apart, shoot apart. You feel me? So at this point, we need to finish this shot up. We have to. How do I get in? Well, now I have to go to the next time frame, which is my 4-hour. Where on my 4-hour, we have resistance, a lot of resistance that got broken. So with it playing above that level, it's letting me know, like, hey, you should be looking for buys around this level, but we have to wait for the retest, because that's the type of trader I am. So we go down. In order for me to look for my retest, I go down to about my 30-minute time frame. I'll take this demand level away and I'll put a resistance. Go down to around my 30-minute time frame, right here. And I want to look for it to retest around here. If it doesn't come back to retest, I don't want to trade. I just don't want it. It's just, man, ain't no use to looking for buys around here, looking for buys around here. I want to see it come back and retest this line right here. Simple, this line. So we're gonna let it play out. And here we go. You feel me? So right now at this point, we're showing support. We're showing support to previous resistance, but it's not our session yet. This is not my session. I don't want to trade unless it's my session, because when you trade and it's not your session, you can get faked out. There's not enough volume, and you can just go through everything that you don't even need to experience. So I'm waiting for my session no matter what. I don't care if the trade goes my way or not. Get into a habit of doing things right. Do things right, consistent, and watch it play out in your favor way more than the things that you do wrong that you still get a benefit out of. So it's around 2:35. Session opens in about 25 minutes. So let's see what would have happened if I would have took a trade right here. I'm gonna show y'all. My trades are 10 pip stop losses. It's just not even possible. Like, it's not even possible. I guarantee you this bitch pull back. Look at that, what a loss. You feel me? So that's why I didn't get in a trade. Another thing is, I'm waiting for my 30-minute to definitely close above. I want to see my 30-minute close above and show support. That's what I was waiting for. You feel me? So obviously this 30-minute closed above, it shows support, and that's when I got down to my 5-minute time frame. You feel me? Boom, boom. Hold on. So my 30-minute closed above. This is just a 15-minute candle. 9 times out of 10, just basically on a 30-minute time frame, looks like it closed above. With that being said, I had entered the trade right now. Off of this 5-minute time frame, it broke. It showed support, it broke down, but broke right back above, it shows support again. So at this point, I'm looking for buys around, I think I got in around 4. I'll check the trade. I could have sworn it's like 162.44. We got 162.445. So boom, that was my entry. My stop loss was about 14 pips. It's literally under this low right here. I don't care how close, how tight it is. I'm a scalper. So it's either I'm going to win fast or I'm going to lose fast. That's the way I trade. That's what works for me. Everybody's going to have their own strategy. You feel me? So yeah. I'm not trying to give y'all what y'all want to hear. I'm giving y'all how I trade. And yeah, you feel me? So at this point, we're about 15 minutes into London session. And at this point, I'm just looking for volume. We already closed above. This trade looks perfect to me. So I'm gonna let it play out. When this happened right here, ooh, my heart wasn't even beating because I didn't care. Because it's either I'm gonna lose or I'm gonna win. It is what it is. You can't fight this. It's either you're gonna lose or you're gonna win. It's all probability. Nothing's guaranteed. That's why risk management is so important. Yes, I'm risking 10, 15% on the trade, but that's because I've been using this skill for 2 to 3 years. I'm used to these trades. I know how they're gonna play out nine times out of 10. But do I still have a chance of losing? Yes. Am I okay with losing 10 to 15% of my account? Yes. So yeah, this was happening. At this point, it is what it is. We're about 20 minutes in. We got one candle. I'm like, oh yeah, we good. You see? Like I was about a couple pips away from stopping out. We're good. That happened. I'm like, yo. Like when I did that little pullback, I'm like, yo, like come on with the consolidation. Another thing is about this trade. When it's consolidated, that means it's agreeing on price. You feel me? Consolidation is another definition for agreeing on price. So we are agreeing on price on a lower time frame at previous resistance, now showing support. Come on, man. I'm locked in, bro. Like this cakewalk, bro. I've been seeing this multiple times, bro. And when you start to see it multiple times, don't get greedy. Just let it play out. Don't enter another trade or nothing like that. Just let it play out and let your confidence build up more, because once you see it once, you're gonna see it again and again and again. Let them small wins keep adding up. Keep adding up. Keep adding up. Don't get greedy. Just keep adding up. Keep taking these great trades. You feel me? So I seen that. It ended up reversing again and going right back up. And from here, it was over with. It was over with. We hit TP, bro. We hit TP1 in like maybe 10 minutes. You feel me? We hit TP2 in under 15 minutes. And after that, I think I ended up taking out at TP2. You feel me? I'll mark them. Took out at TP2. So TP1 was 10 pips. You feel me? And the only reason I say 10 pips is because, yes, I'm risking 15 pips, but I'm trading as in I'm only risking 10 pips. So if you know what that means, like every 10 pips, that's a TP. But my stop loss is a little bit more than my risk. That's just how I trade. You're not gonna start off like that, but that's to the point where I am right now. So TP2 is right here. And obviously we're seeing that literally 15 minutes after the trade, I entered. We already had hit TP2. I took out at TP2 only because of this resistance right here, and there was a lot of news, obviously. You feel me? Everybody knows about the news today. And I was cool with what I made, man. Like, I made freaking 50% of my account. 50%. No, I wasn't looking at the money, but it's just like, I'm cool with taking my little gains, especially on a day that it's news. Now, if it wasn't news and it's like a Tuesday and it's just a regular day and this is happening, I'm putting stops to break even. First of all, I go stops to break even after hitting TP1 automatically. I'm putting stops to break even and I'm letting this thing ride. But right now, I'm telling you, I put that $500 into my account to focus on my psychology, to focus on my discipline, to see like, damn, this shit isn't hard at all. You feel me? So yeah, TP2 was hit. After that, I had a couple people on the trade with me. They had a couple people take the trade with me on Zoom, and obviously I'm gonna just show you what happened after that. Pulled back, was playing around TP2, never closed under, and it just took off from there, man. Literally like an hour later, took off from there, and it didn't stop. So ended up going for all TPs, literally TP6 was hit. And from there, I don't think I would have even held. I think I would have been out. I know I would have gotten out if I was literally holding the trade. I wouldn't say I would have held all of this, but bruh, you have all these gurus or these so-called traders that be like, oh yeah, TP was hit for 1 to 20. Bro, your ass did not hold for no 1 to 20. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I took out that TP too. You want somebody that's honest with you. That's what I'm gonna do for you, feel me? I'm gonna give you the truth. I'm gonna try to lessen your learning curve. Because it's not hard, bro. The key to this shit is risk management, focusing on your psychology, patience, and just taking your emotions away from the money. Don't get greedy, don't do nothing. Just take your emotions away from the money. Focus on that for a good 6 to 12 months, bro. And I promise you, bro, you're gonna be making money. Yeah, that's the breakdown on GJ. I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead, give me a like, subscribe, go ahead and follow me on the gram, all that type of stuff, man. Like I said, I'm gonna start just trying to do way more breakdowns, etc. Hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, I'm out. How y'all doing, man? I ain't gonna lie, I was supposed to make this video the day after or whatever, or no, same day when I made the video, but with the whole $500 being made or whatever, double or $600 being made, I didn't show you guys the US 30 trade that also I was able to make like $200-300 off of to add up to the whole $600. I only showed y'all the GJ trade. So just like, subscribe. We get about 20 likes or whatever. I really just want to start building a fan base or audience, you feel me? I'll end up doing a breakdown for the US 30 trade that I took, and then hopefully this week, I mean, I just woke up, so don't be saying nothing to me in the comments and none. But hopefully this week I'll be able to just do a breakdown on the US 30 trade, and I'll also have more breakdowns coming in because, you know, we want to make a lot of wins this week. And then, yeah, so I just wanted to add that. Doing it off my phone. It's not on my computer or off my webcam or nothing. But I hope everybody loved the video, and thank y'all for staying to the end.